says you can't add a little tropical flair to your own backyard here in Oklahoma. With this plant, eucalyptus, you can do just that. Also known as pineapple lily, eucalyptus adds a bold texture to any landscape. You can plant it individually or you can plant it in mass with several of them. Regardless, the texture to some of the surrounding plants is going to really add a nice landscape design to your backyard. Now, just the foliage alone is impressive as it comes in both a burgundy color and also a green color. However, you're also going to get flowers that can start blooming in midsummer. And you can see they're just now starting to bloom. And why it has its name, pineapple lily, is because it produces these pineapple-like flowers with these bracts or modified leaves on the top of that, kind of resembling a pineapple. Now, this is fairly small still. It's going to continue to grow and elongate, and you can see all of these flowers will soon open. And it's going to flower for us for about 8 weeks, which really extends our summer garden, as a lot of times our other garden is really starting to feel that heat. This tropical plant is going to start taking off. Now you'll also see the spike of the plant here is burgundy. However, a lot of times you'll see kind of a speckled look to that stem as well. Depending on which hybrid you get of eucalyptus, the flowers are going to range in color anywhere from white to a pink color. So again, that adds to the variety that you can add into your garden. Now, this is a plant that is native to South Africa, and so being tropical, it's going to like moist conditions. However, it does want well-drained soils that have a lot of high organic matter in them. So it might not be suitable for all of Oklahoma, but it is hardy to zones 7A. So you can leave it out. It'll come back for much of Oklahoma. However, if you're north of that zone, then you might want to think about digging those bulbs up and storing them in a dry, cool location and then planting them back out the next season. If it is a perennial, it's going to get about a 2 foot by 2 foot clump for you, and you might want to think about dividing that early in the season if that mass gets too large or you want to share it or spread it in your garden. Otherwise, this plant is a great way, not only because of the foliage, but also the flower, to add that tropical look into your backyard.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.